Hi guys, any update not installing, so how to fix this update? So Windows R and type services.msc, enter. Firstly you check your update service start or not. So type W and scroll down. This is, so you click to restart. Okay, and then close. Then guys type cmd and run as administrator. And guys, I have clicked to yes. I have just command for the fix this issue, so I will give in description, so use copy. So guys, this is command, so you copy one by one and then enter. So all command in description, so you copy paste and type properly. Right click, copy, and only right click, automatically paste. So guys, you type all command. Okay, so guys, this update KB5014699 is not installing automatically, so you try manually. So this link in this description, so you copy and paste, or scroll down 6:14 this update launch. Okay, 6:14 32-bit 20h21 20 this one guys, new download and click to link. And guys, when finish, start, open, and next, because this stuff is very easy. Okay, have any issue, please comment me, I will support you. Bye bye, take care.